My warm greetings to every advocate of global citizenship education, or GCED. My high respect to our international partners, the UNESCO APSEIO, and of course the Ministry of Education of South Korea. Same respect to the members of the International Cooperation Office of the Department of Education. Likewise, with the advocates from the regional office, the division offices, and our school heads and teachers, and to everyone here in attendance, a blissful day to all. I am so honored to be invited as presenter of the journey of GSED in the Philippine educational system. Our today's activity, GSED Hybrid Caravan in the Smart City. I was overwhelmed with happiness of the invitation from the central office, thinking that I will be with you in person. But because of an equally important activity, which is our regional management committee meeting, I am with you today, although virtually. Well, I cannot say no to an invitation by the GSED, precisely because my heart belongs to GSED. The title of my presentation is Surmatonon. This is actually a Waray term, which means a story with value. I will just be telling you casually the story of GSED here in the province of Northern Samar. As a background, GSED came to Northern Samar primarily because of its proponent. Madam Imelda Hiray Logroño is a proud native of Lauang, Northern Samar. For sure, because of her love and loyalty to Northern Samar, especially in her hometown, she decided to implement the project in Lauang, Northern Samar. I still remember it was weekend afternoon with my family in the seashore having our relaxation time when I had a call from the central office. Of course, I was so surprised of the call. Just imagine you will be receiving a call from the central office. Oh my God. Well, I was informed that they will be coming to Northern Samar to initially implement the project. And of course, as the chief of the Curriculum Implementation Division, I made the proper arrangement in our division. I coordinated with the district supervisors in the municipality of Lawang, and the districts of Lawang made the necessary preparation with, of course, in close coordination in our office. Aside from the memoranda from the central office and the regional office, we also issued office memos and even district memos supporting the different activities of GSED. The division office of Northern Samar is really in full support in the implementation of the GSED program. We always adhere to the invitation of the different activities in this program. I still remember one time, one activity that the school's division superintendent, Sarah Ulagban, was part of the program. So considering of the health and physical situation of our superintendent, I told Ma'am Imelda Logroño not to notify Sir Raul of his part in the program so that he will not be exerting so much effort in traveling to the venue. I will just do his part, as I said to Ma'am Imelda. Much to my surprise, early in the next day, the driver told me that they will be going to the venue. Our superintendent is so excited to be part of the GSEED program and to give inputs on the SEED activity. I myself as well attended many activities in support to GSEED. Even our administrative officer has given a topic in one of the activities of GSEED. I also instructed the education program supervisors and the assigned district adapter to monitor the activities. Our personnel in the district and even in the school levels are also active implementers of the GSEED program. A lot of videos and pictures that you can see as a proof of the active GSEED endeavors in our province. Our teachers in the field are so active in the outdoor activities of the program. The content of the School Learning Action Cell focused on the same program. They enjoyed much on the variety of activities of the program. One major proof that as chief of the Division of Northern Samar is the impact that GSEED has brought to our teachers and our learners. It is so satisfying to note that our teachers have changed their mindset in looking at the real perspective of the world they lived in. They have been awakened of the different issues and challenges that the world is facing nowadays. They were challenged on responding to the call of these changing times. Their profession as teachers were most challenged. Integrating GSEED inputs in their daily lessons is a concrete answer to these different challenges of times. A teacher could really be a hero if he or she should be able to change the mindset and the life of every learner under their care. But how? This is the reality. There is really a need to let the learners understand the world and its complexities. In that way, for sure, a teacher could really be a hero. Considering of the positive contribution of GSEED in the curriculum, the Department of Education, Division of Northern Samar, will be having an implementation review of the SAID program. I will give instruction to our education program supervisor in charge in Araling Panlipunan to lead this activity. The result of the implementation, we are so optimistic of issuing a division memorandum integrating GSEED in the curriculum. Lastly, with the impact of the program, I personally recommend that we can be in one with the international participation through teacher exchange program. I am very much willing to be part of the program or anybody within our department. At this juncture, I would like to say from my heart, thank you so much for this opportunity to share my thoughts about GSEED. When I was informed by Ms. Logroño that this will be shown in the international television shows, I said, wow, I am now an international celebrity. And I would say thank you for that because it is a rare opportunity. Of course, by this time, nobody is asking me for an autograph. Anyway, I will still be waiting as long as I am still connected with GSEED. Jokingly aside, I am proud to be part of the circle of GSEED. To end my part, from goodreads.com, as a citizen of the world, I stand only with truth and my conscience is my only leader. This is the only way to peace and justice on earth. To always do the right thing, be the right person, and stand with whoever is right always and forever. Please enjoy watching the rest of the presentations. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.
There comes a time when we see the world's problems. Respect and peace are hard to achieve. There are people fighting, not aware of their actions. That is why it's imagining the world of stars.